So moving on to the number 4 danger, which is crime. I feel like Myrtle Beach is obviously not as high of a crime area as some of the larger cities, but we do still have different crime. We've got the things listed here is theft, scams, and assaults. You guys would know more about that and what you see.
I just see a lot of theft, and it's just petty theft, right? People forget to lock their car doors.
Yeah.
And there's just people literally waiting to, I used to live in a condo community, and they would come and hit every car in the parking lot that was unlocked. And so you're on vacation, just remember you lock your door because that stuff's going on.
Don't leave anything valuable in your car. And the other thing too that people don't really think about, leaving your bag on the beach and going into the water and nobody's there. The beach, I hate to say it, is where a lot of like thrifters are around at. They'll walk by, grab your purse real quick. So just make sure you don't leave like any of your like high dollar or your personal items alone when you're on the beach.
And hotels too. Hotel rooms.
Yeah, the hotels are bad too.
Yeah.
Just a transitory at different times. We're a transitory town. One thing I would add is people are coming down here, they're trying to have fun. There's different areas where there's a lot of bars and restaurants, especially at Broadway. If you're there with your kids after like 10:30 when it starts to close down, get out of there because everybody's drinking, and then you can see some bar fights, things like that. We don't want to see anybody get assaulted, but those things unfortunately do happen when, being in the sun all day and alcohol doesn't mix when you've been hanging out at Broadway at the beach or down at the Marsh Walk, something like that.
It's really common sense things that could happen anywhere, but you just want to use sense. Yes, you are in a family destination. There's a lot of other families there, but that doesn't mean that there aren't people kind of waiting for you to leave your things unattended.
Yeah.
And it's kind of not the same thing crime-wise, but people lose a lot of their stuff in the ocean too. So be careful to not wear expensive things into the ocean because all sorts of wedding rings and sunglasses and money, is found washed up. You've got people with the metal detectors out there because of all the stuff that people lose in the summer months. So
It's not a crime if I find your nice sunglasses later. So
yes, being aware of that too.